Well, good morning. So we made it. Lake Chickamauga. I got up early this morning. Man, there's some smudge. So I got up early this morning. I'm in Dayton, Tennessee. Over there is the main boat ramp. This right here is kind of like a kayak paddle sports ramp, I guess you could say. And I'm in the kayak. So Lake Chickamauga, 2nd of July. No, today's the 3rd of July, July 3rd. So, man, they are busting out there right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera up. I'm gonna go ahead and get all my stuff together because I still have to tie on some, I got to spool up a new rod, or a new reel, I mean. I had a really bad backlash last time I was out on my kayak. So I got to re-spool that reel. But anyway, man, they're busting out there. I'm getting off here. Hopefully we'll get some fish catches, and we'll see you in a minute. Get some water. Stay hydrated. Gotta stay hydrated. Tell you what, I'm tired of all that water being in there. That's what stinks. That's the only thing I do not like about this Attack 140. The older, the 15 models, I guess. It's because water piles up right there. And that's where I throw a lot of my baits at. So anyway, let's get this camera going. So all right, well, we're gonna start off with a buzz bait, and we're gonna see how that does. So got a big swim bait right there just in case. Let me oh yeah, look here. Got some doomsday tackle, some little Roco worms. I might try them later if we get on that drop shot bite or a shaky head bite. All right, so now we're floating. I got the camera. I got my rods. I got 5 rods with me today. Mainly topwater, because that's what we're going to focus on, is topwater this morning. Let's get this thing going. There we go. Okay, there. I think I'm gonna go out this way first. Go over where those trees right there are, and I'll flip around this little bait I've got. And for right now, we're gonna throw around this little buzz bait. Don't you dare. So here's what stinks about today. Today is Monday. I am off work. I'm about an hour and a half away from home. So I have to keep checking my phone every once in a while because I'm on call at work. And I just heard my phone go off, so. So when my phone goes off, I have to keep an eye on it, because if I get called into work, we're off today. But I'm on call. Beginning of the month, I'm on call every other month. So that's kind of what makes things a little hard when I'm off from work. If somebody calls something in, I kind of have to go. So hopefully nobody calls anything in and ruins today's episode. And there we go again, we're turning. Yep, definitely need a rudder. Wilderness Systems, if you're watching this, please send me a rudder. Come on. Let's flip around this little worm right here in these bushes. These little trees, little bushes. See if anybody's home. Tell you what, I'm in like 2 foot of water. That's what I was meaning. It's really shallow right here. Ooh, there's one right there. Look at there. Heck yeah, right there on the second cast with that thing. Good little healthy fish. Look at there. Nice little healthy fish. Yeah, it is. That's a real good one. On the second cast. Not quite a keeper here on Chickamauga, but it works. Yep, not quite a keeper here on Chick, but hey, it works. And as you can see, I've not made it far from the boat ramp. So far, hopefully we keep getting at them like that. Yep, fish number 2 on the buzzbait. Little chunker. I wasn't even going to measure him. He wasn't even worth measuring. Yeah, he nailed this thing. So I'm out here in about 1.5 foot of water right here. Kind of noticed a little bit of an activity, so I kind of paddled over here from way over there. I thought I'd throw around this little buzzbait right here. Oh my goodness. Yep. Now that's the fish I'm looking for. Oh, he came off. Dang. That's the one I was looking for right there. Alright. That's the one I was looking for. See, I just made that little adjustment right there where I'm letting this blade right here hit that to get that clacking sound to it. I don't have a trailer hook, so we're going to fix that real quick. That was the fish I was looking for, y'all. That was the one. Dang, that stinks. I just missed probably about a good 4 or 5 pounder just now. No one. Oh yeah, not quite as big as the. Well, I'm gonna need that. Yeah, he is quite big. Oh man. I done lost my paddle. That ain't good. I'll tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna stick this one on the fish grips. I'm gonna get over and get my paddle before it gets too far away. See, now that's why you have a paddle leash, right there. That's why you have a paddle leash. I don't have a paddle leash because I'm dumb. Let's get a measurement on our fish. That's a good one too. Not bad, not bad at all. Too bad I'm not doing that online tournament that's going on right now. He's a keeper too. 15 inches. Cool. His jaw's a little broke. Good looking fish. Thanks, buddy. There's another one. Well, that might be a little bit better one. That's a little better one. Ooh. Where's he think he's going? He ain't done, is he? He might be done now. That's a little better one right there. We'll put him on the board. See what he's got. Yeah, right at 14 1/4. Good deal. Cool. Look at him double pinned. Look at a big old head on him. Big old knot head on him. But anyway, fish number 5, I believe. Well, good morning. Had a great morning. Afternoon, not so good. I just got called into work, so remember whenever I was talking about earlier in the video that I'm on call at work and hopefully nobody calls anything in. Well, thanks to Home Depot in Knoxville, I gotta go fix one of their reach trucks. So, in case you haven't guessed, I'm a forklift technician full-time. So, but anyway, yeah, so I gotta drive an hour and a half back home, drop everything off, get my work van, my work vehicle, and go to work. So, that concludes today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Had a little camera issue this morning, so looks like I'm about to invest in another camera. But anyway, guys, appreciate you watching. If you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and you guys have a great day. See ya.